Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube topic. And in this video, I will show you on how to fix this problem of copyright are ineligible to monetize of any video on YouTube. Let me show you how. First thing first, you have something like this if you have a copyright of any video. And when you have something like this, which means the video is ineligible to monetize, this is because of what the copyright owner of that content has been set based on that particular content. First thing first, you need to go ahead and check your Gmail account that has been associated to that particular channel to read detail about YouTube Mail. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Gmail right here. So if I open up my Gmail right here, you can see the YouTube message right here. Video cannot be monetized. I'm going to open up the content of the mail. Then you have detail about the mail right here, and you have the parts at which the video cannot be monetized. And the reason why the video cannot be monetized is this: straw, and the content owner is Netflix. Content type is video. In part of video, not monetizing. So what you need to do here is to simply scroll down and read detail about it. Edit out the segment by trimming, muting, or replacing the copyrighted content with the YouTube video editor. Submit a dispute to the content owner if you have the right to the content. Re-upload the video if you can remove the copyrighted content from with your own tools. You may also choose to leave the video as if you are fine with your restriction. However, in this video, I'll show you on how to simply fix it by doing simple editing on YouTube Studio. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on View All Actions. It's going to take you right here. What happened? The video can be monetized. The copyright claims on your video don't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. Straw, and this is the part that needs to be cut off from the video before we can be eligible to monetize that particular video. And for that, what we want to do is to click on here now. That's going to take you right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on Trim Out Segments. Once you click on Trim Out the segment, then we can play the video. So there are some parts that will be trimmed out from the video are these. Trim the claim section. You can see it. So this part is going to be trimmed off. This part is going to be trimmed, and this part is going to be. So you can easily click on here to check on the preview. So see, this is the part that needs to be cut off right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off this particular part again. So here you have start time, end time, start time, end time, start time, end time. What you need to do is to simply click on save right here. And edits are permanent and will take minutes to and hours to apply. While processing the current video will show auto double track will be removed and regenerated. Visibility or monetization restriction will be updated afterward. What we need to do is to click on confirm changes right here. So it's as simple as that. You can see video editing in progress. Is that simple? So I can go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. By the time I refresh, you can see now that it has changed to edit processing and checking restriction. So by the time I go back to the main video, by the time I refresh, and you see that the video is under checking, and you see that the video is under checking right here, just like what you see right here. So we have to allow the system to do everything. Once the checking is completely, you should be able to see your $sign, which simply means that you can monetize the video. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.